Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be making home-cooked spicy garlic noodles in microwave. So let's get started. For this we would need 1 cup of water. So I'm getting a 1 cup of water. That's enough. So now we're going to microwave it. Microwave it for 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, I'll see you. So it's almost done. This is my top Archie. He's really begging for noodles. No. Okay, so it's done. Yeah, so now it's pretty hot. So I'll be putting the masala. So guys, it's really hot. Ow. I'll be using the chopsticks. Let's stir this. So now I'll be keeping it for 1 minute. So let's see it after 1 minute. And I want you guys to try these because they are so spicy, and I'm a spicy lover, and my sister thinks that this is not at all spicy. I never tried this. I guess I could be tried and I could love it. Okay, so now only 11 seconds left. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So now till the fan is on, we can remove the cake. Until then we can play with my dog. Oh, isn't he cute? Look at the golden husky. So now it's done. So now we have to take something with. Oh, it's hot. So now guys, let's put the noodles. Make sure that you grate them. Now for 1 minute. So guys, only 30 seconds are left. So after 30 seconds, our noodles will be, I guess, so done. Yeah. So let's see after 30 seconds. So guys, the noodles are done. Now I'm gonna take them out. So guys, they're now done. Now I'll be eating them. So now guys, I'll be needing some more water because my mouth is gonna burn. Guys, let's get started. So hot. It's getting in my stomach. It's not spicy. It's not that spicy. So guys, it's not really spicy, so if you like this video, comment down below and smash down the like button. I'll see you next week. Goodbye. Much love, America.